Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel and press like. When you subscribe,
the leadership of
notifications each time we post.
That are here.
We love you guys.
Members of Kwankwaso that are here. And leadership of our party, the New Nigeria People's Party that are here. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Let me, on behalf of my humble self and members of my entourage, thank His Majesty for creating time to receive us personally. I very much appreciate that. Especially that we are supposed to come here much earlier, but due to the nature of what we are doing, politics, we couldn't make it. So I want to say we apologize for coming here late, and also thank you for the patience, and through you, thank all the traditional rulers that are here patiently waiting for us. What you have done, we are not taking it for granted. It shows the level of respect you have for democracy. It shows the level of respect you have for our party, and of course, my humble self. I am not surprised, because those of us, information that we have is that you have done so much to bring in good understanding between all the communities that are living within the borders of your domain.
So fast, the pivotal role you played during the crisis of the Yoruba people and the Hausa people. It's very unfortunate we don't pray for such again to happen. But Your Excellency, you played a very pivotal role. We want to thank you once again. Everybody in the Arewa community will definitely not forget you. They love you naturally. And they can express it. All what you said about the movement and your intention, may God Almighty continue to be with you, guide you and guard you, see you through all your desires, and let you get to your final destination. You have honored us on the throne of Ojaja. You have honored the entire Yoruba people, because this is our root and we don't joke with it. You have honored us by your presence. My prayer is the real Nigerians are these people that you are seeing. You are just a servant.